Nikola Tesla, one of the most brilliant minds in history, famously said, "If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe." But what did Tesla mean by this? How could 3 simple numbers hold such incredible power? Today, we're going to dive deep into the mystery of Tesla's 369 code and explore how it can help you unlock the secrets of the universe and achieve anything you set your mind to. Before we explore the 369 code, let's take a moment to understand the genius behind it. Nikola Tesla. Tesla was a Serbian-American inventor, electrical engineer, and physicist, best known for his groundbreaking work in electricity and magnetism. Tesla's inventions laid the foundation for alternating current, AC electricity, radio transmission, wireless communication, and more. He was considered ahead of his time, and his unique way of thinking extended beyond the physical world and into the metaphysical. Tesla believed that everything in the universe operates on a frequency, and he was fascinated by numbers, especially 3, 6, and 9, which he believed to be the key to unlocking universal energy and power. But why these numbers? Why did Tesla obsess over 3, 6, and 9? Let's find out. The power of 3. The number 3 represents a fundamental pattern in nature. The triad is a symbol of wholeness and completeness. Think of the triangle, which is one of the most stable shapes in geometry. You also find trinities in religions and philosophies: the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, mind, body, and spirit in spirituality, and past, present, and future in time. Tesla believed that the number 3 was the building block of the universe. It symbolizes creativity, harmony, and connection to higher powers, the power of 6. The number 6 is often associated with balance and nurturing energy. In numerology, 6 is the number of love and care. It also appears frequently in nature. Think of a honeycomb with its perfect hexagonal structure, or the fact that snowflakes naturally form 6-sided shapes. In Tesla's theory, the number 6 represents the power of harmony and the ability to maintain balance in the universe. It ties together the energy from the number 3 to create stability, the power of 9. And then there's 9. Tesla considered this the most important number of all. If you add any number to 9, the result will always reduce back to itself. For example, 9 plus 3 equals 12, and 1 plus 2 equals 3. In many spiritual traditions, 9 is the number of enlightenment and completion, symbolizing universal laws and cosmic order. Tesla believed that 9 represents a higher vibration or frequency, a gateway to the divine. It acts as a key that unlocks higher dimensions of energy and consciousness. So, how does this all tie together? How can you apply the 369 code to manifest your desires and unlock your potential? The 369 code has recently gained attention as a manifestation technique, rooted in Tesla's understanding of the universe. The idea is that by focusing your intentions on these numbers and following specific patterns, you can amplify your manifestations and achieve what you want in life. Here's how you can start using the 369 method. Step 1. Set clear intentions. Visual of someone writing down their goals. First, you need to get clear on what you want to manifest. Whether it's wealth, love, success, or health, your intention must be specific. Think of it like tuning into a specific frequency. The clearer your intention, the more effectively you can send that signal to the universe. Step 2. Write it down 3 times in the morning. Visual of someone writing in a journal, a peaceful morning scene. In the morning, write down your manifestation or goal 3 times. For example, if you want to attract more financial abundance, you could write something like, "I am attracting wealth and prosperity into my life." Write this down 3 times. The number 3 represents the foundation. It initiates the manifestation process and sends your desire out into the universe. Step 3. Repeat it 6 times in the afternoon. Later in the day, around midday or the afternoon, write your goal or affirmation 6 times. This step reinforces your manifestation, creating harmony and balance around your intention. The number 6, remember, symbolizes nurturing and balance. By repeating your affirmation 6 times, you are stabilizing the energy of your desire. Step 4. Write it down 9 times before bed. At night, just before going to bed, write your affirmation or goal 9 times. This final step is where the real magic happens. The number 9 symbolizes completion, universal connection, and enlightenment. By writing your intention 9 times, you are aligning yourself with the higher frequencies and vibrations of the universe. You are signaling that you're ready to receive what you've asked for. Step 5. Combine it with visualization. Writing the affirmation is important, but combining it with visualization supercharges the process. After each step, close your eyes and visualize yourself living out your manifestation. Imagine the feelings, sights, sounds, and emotions associated with having what you desire. Visualization connects your physical intention with your subconscious mind and the higher vibrations of the universe. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly does this work? How do numbers and repetition lead to real-world results? Tesla's 369 code works because it taps into the power of focus, intention, and energy alignment. When you repeat a goal or affirmation with belief, you're essentially rewiring your brain. There's a concept called neuroplasticity, which refers to the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. By repeating your manifestation and visualizing it as though it's already real, you are training your brain to create pathways that align with your desires. By the way, comment down your manifestation, like, I am confident, capable, and empowered to achieve my goals. My mind is focused, and I am open to limitless possibilities. I trust the process of life and embrace change with ease. I am surrounded by love, positivity, and supportive relationships. Every day, I am becoming the best version of myself, and I manifest my desires through focused intention and inspired action. Additionally, when you focus on something regularly, you raise your vibrational frequency to match it, according to the law of attraction, like attracts like. So, by vibrating at the same frequency as your desire, you draw it into your reality. Tesla's obsession with energy, frequency, and vibration was rooted in his understanding that the universe operates on a frequency-based system. Everything around us, from our thoughts to physical objects, is made up of energy vibrating at different frequencies. By using the 369 code, you are consciously tuning into these frequencies and aligning yourself with the outcome you want. Remember, the key to success with the 369 method is consistency, belief, and alignment. The more you practice, the more you'll see how powerful this tool can be in transforming your life.